This video goes over 2 bits of information which will ensure that your reference page is picture perfect. The first point to cover is how APA style makes use of sentence case for titles and for headings. So sentence case means that the title will actually be capitalized just like a sentence would be. And you all know that in a sentence, you capitalize the first letter of the first word and then any other proper nouns, but otherwise, all of the letters are lowercase. When we're talking about the reference page of an APA paper, there is one more caveat, and this is that when a colon or an EM dash appears in a title, then the first word after that piece of punctuation would be capitalized as well. Here's a good example from my own reference page. So the title, True Crime Podcasting, Journalism, Justice, or Entertainment. I don't have any proper nouns, so I'm only concerned about capitalizing the first letter of the first word of the title. And then because there is a colon, I also want to capitalize the first letter of the first word after that piece of punctuation. Here's another good example. Undisclosed information, Serial is my favorite murder, examining the motivations in the true crime podcast audience. Serial is a proper noun that names a particular true crime podcast, as is my favorite murder. So those proper nouns for true crime podcast are going to be capitalized. All the other words are lowercase except for undisclosed because, of course, this is the first word in the title, and examining because this is the first word after the colon. The second point of information to discuss is when and where to use italics in your bibliographic citation. So pretty much the rule is that when we're talking about the title of the article that you actually read, that title will not be italicized and it will not be enclosed by quotation marks. However, the publication in which that article appeared would be italicized. So for another example, here I read the article called The Ethical Dilemma of Highbrow True Crime. And that article appeared on Vulture News Media site. Here I read the article True Crime Podcasting, Journalism, Justice, or Entertainment. And that scholarly article appeared in this particular scholarly journal. Same thing right here. I read the article My Favorite Murder Problem, which appeared in the New Republic magazine online. So the title of the article itself doesn't get italics or quotation marks, but the website or the magazine or the scholarly journal in which that article appears does get italics. In a way, it's like a part and a whole relationship. So the article is the part, and then the publication in which it appears is the whole. And so parts don't get italics, but wholes do. Our University Writing Center is a great resource, so if you would like some help with your reference page, writingcenter.appstate.edu, where you can schedule online or telephone appointments from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Thursday, and from 9 a.m. to 12 noon on Friday.